So you got a floor that's out of level. Here's a question for you. How much can your truck leveler get you? With SpexCrete 350 Superset, this truck is full. And at 1/2 inch, this one truck will cover 30,000 square feet. So if you want less logistics, better job site logistics, fewer trucks, just do yourself a favor, call SpexCrete and use a SpexCrete 350 Superset ultra lightweight underlayment. It's pumpable, it's very easy to work with. It is about 3 pounds a square foot at 1 inch or 1.5 pounds a square foot at 1/2 inch for 30,000 square feet. Less on your freight costs, just easier to work with. 40-pound bags, very easy to handle. So do your job, your team a favor, your back office a favor, and call SpexCrete for SpexCrete 350 Superset ultra lightweight underlayment the next time you have a very out of level floor with a weight restriction. Call SpexCrete 440-462-1500. Thanks so much. Have a great day.